Creating tasks is as easy as clicking the Add Task button or clicking Add Task down below, pressing Enter to create new tasks. You can group them into sections as we did here in our Relocate HR to First Floor project. But what happens when you receive emails with important information or actionable items? In the old days, you would have to copy that information, come back to Asana, create your new task, and then paste that information into the task. Or if it's an existing task, open it up and paste that information in there. Now there's an add-in that will help you create tasks directly from your Outlook emails. That's what we're going to explore in this movie. First, though, we'll go to the website, asana.com/apps/Outlook to get some information about this add-in. Here's where we go to turn emails into trackable, actionable work with Asana for Outlook. And you'll notice as we scroll down a button to install Asana for Outlook. All it's going to do is give you access to features right from within Outlook to create tasks in Asana. As we scroll down, you'll see some more information about how this works. One thing that's important to understand, you'll need a Microsoft 365 account to be able to use this feature. You'll obviously need an Asana account as well, and it does work with the free version. As we scroll a little further down, you'll also see what it works with. For example, Outlook 2016, the desktop app. You'll see it works with the Outlook web app as well. And there's that information about an Office 365, now called Microsoft 365 subscription. So keep that in mind before you go ahead and click that button. All it's going to do is add the features to Outlook. So let's see what that looks like. We'll switch back to our project in Asana. And now we'll switch to an Outlook account. Here's Jennifer Veladonner logged into her Outlook. And notice on the toolbar, a new section where she can create an Asana task or open the Asana add-in right from here. And this is Outlook 2016 on the Mac. So it works here as well. Here's an example of an email where she's getting information about some moving companies that could come in handy for that relocation project she's working on that will move the HR offices to the first floor. So instead of copying this information and pasting it into a new task or an existing task, she can go right up here to Create Asana Task. It's going to open up a pane over here on the right-hand side. So it's going to look at the information, and you can see the Create Task button and some information that's automatically filled in down below. So the task name will be, if we leave it alone, follow up on moving companies. I'm going to change that, and we can just go inside here and select information we don't want. And I'm going to type in research moving companies. Down below, that's going to be Jennifer who's doing it. We can assign a due date right from here just by clicking. Maybe by the end of the week, she wants to get this done. So we'll select that date. And now we can assign it to the project. Clicking in here, we just start typing in the name of the project, Relocate, R-E-L. You can see it's doing a little search, and there it is, Relocate HR to First Floor. And we can add some more information down here if we needed to in the description area. I think research moving companies is all we need. We don't need to copy and paste these moving companies into the description or into the task. You can see we can add the email as a comment, so it's automatically accessible from within Asana. We can even make it public to landonhotel.com if we wanted to. I don't think we need to. We're just going to click Create Task. So it just takes a moment. You can see it's busy taking the information that we've added and the existing information and created a brand new task in Asana. You can see we have the information from the email that's going to be added. And there's information available to us and buttons down below that we can access to add the email as a comment if we hadn't already, and even comment on it from here. But when we're done, we just click the close button to close it up. And we'll switch back now over here to Asana. You can see Research Moving Companies is added to no particular section, just up at the top. And if we click it, we see the information which can be changed, the assignee. There's even a due date over here. And of course, if we wanted more details, we can click Details on the right-hand side. And as we scroll down, you can see that information. And there's the email down below with the moving companies already available to us here in Asana. When we're done, we'll just click over here to close up that pane. So one thing we might want to do is rearrange this, maybe add it to phase one, the preparation and backup. There are different views and different ways to reorganize our tasks. We'll explore that next.